Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video we're going to show you how to punch down a keystone using a cat5 cable. So the reason for this is if you want to extend your cable, you don't want to use a simple RJ45 that come out easily. You could just hardwire it, So I'll show you how to do this. So you might want to get a keystone first, probably a pair. Depends if you're going to use it in two ends, or it's like $2-3 on Amazon. So go ahead and remove some of this housing. I don't know why you guys would want to do this, but maybe for that kind of reason, you want to do it for yourself, or just want to know how. It's good to know things. You have to know when come in handy, right? So, pull back the sleeve and cut out the excess, because when you put pressure in the wire like this and you're removing the sleeve, there can be some indentation there. It could actually stop continuity, right? So you don't want it. Cut off like that. I want to get this much, right? And go ahead again and just unravel the cables. There's maybe 4 pairs, like I mentioned in the previous video. I'm going to show you guys how to do a RJ45 clip. Just remove them. Separate them, Loki, I want to say hi to Loki. This is my little body here. It's a little green cheek conure. Doesn't say a word, just like to be around me all the time. So, on this keystone, at the side there's 2 different ways how to do it. There's the A and the B. So, apparently everybody's using B, so let's use the B. So the B is going to be the bottom line. You see the color code at the bottom there? That's the B. So let's go ahead and see the color list at the bottom and just try to follow it, right? So at the bottom we got orange and white, green and white. So there's the colors. When you hold it facing like this on your thumb, clip part out. So the first one is going to be fit in the teeth, orange. Slip it in there. Straight. Take your fingers and press it down, so to speak. Green. When I first did this, I had to go to a friend to show me how. There was no YouTube at that time. It's fucking video, Why I make these videos, guys? It's very helpful for people who want to know, like me, right? It's always learning. You gotta share knowledge, I'm not a professional, I just do these things, so you won't dare yourself, to be honest. And it's coming useful because something to extend a cable. So that's how it should look. On the opposite side, at the bottom there again, bottom line, follow the same pattern. So the one is blue and white, blue, the first 2. So obviously I want to do the first 2. Blue and white and blue. Loki just said hi there. And brown and white. So the whole idea is to get this thing, these wires in these teeth, to make connection, to send a signal. So there's 2 ways of doing that. If you don't have a punching tool, you could probably use a small screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and just try to stick in between these teeth and push it downwards, right? So you want to make contact. And then you you cut off the egg. So fortunately for me, I have a punching tool, so like $10. So the part of the bevel edge facing outwards, you go ahead, punch it down one by one. So 8 of them. 2, 3, 4. And do the opposite side. So the bevel edge facing outwards, or you get a flat screwdriver and try to just put it down in the little teeth, you know. There's all this internet thing is, you know, connection. You can save yourself some money, you gotta call up IT guy, you can charge all kind of money. Just go ahead and do it yourself. Sorry. I think it's all there. So that's how it should look at this side, see? You see it coming through the copper part of it. And when cut off, you could just take a little nippers and trim it, right? Here's how it should look. And when you buy these clips, you buy the keystone, it comes in a little package with 2 little covers. You just go ahead and just press it in to keep the wires nice and tight. And there you go. That's the convert is cat5, that keystone. Simple business. Just make sure you use the B, because everybody does that, and reverse to the back end, B. That's it. So you have 2 options. Just in here now. You can do the same thing like this, or get an RJ45 clip, put it here. You can stick it into your modem, and then you extend it. So it's kind of cool. Take care.